How to restrict who can assign you nicknames on Instagram DMs. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to restrict who can assign you nicknames on Instagram DMs for better privacy and control over your interactions. This will help you manage your DM experience and ensure that only trusted users can personalize your conversations. First, open your Instagram app and go to your DMs. Then open a chat with the user for whom you want to restrict the ability to assign or change your nickname. Tap on their username at the top of the screen. Now, click on this New Nicknames option. You'll notice that the Instagram account Your Digital Friend is grayed out. This is because I have already disabled the option to assign nicknames in this chat for demonstration purposes. To prevent assigning nicknames to your account in this chat, tap on Change Who Can Edit Your Nickname. Remember, you'll need to repeat this process in all chats where you expect someone might assign an inappropriate nickname to you, as there are currently no global settings for this feature. Here, you'll see options to manage who can assign you nicknames. You can choose between everyone in this chat, people you follow, or only you. Select only you if you want to prevent anyone from assigning you a nickname. This option will make sure that only you have control over your nickname in DMs. No one else will be able to add or edit a nickname for your account. It's a great way to keep your interactions private and avoid unwanted personalization. And that's it. You've successfully restricted who can assign you nicknames on Instagram DMs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.